really passionate about ventilation, and when I went to do a master's in mining, I really found the field that I want to be in, the field that I want to excel in. Once you make a small change in the mine, that change's results is humongous. It's not like in a building where you just make a small change and you'll save a bit of money. The opportunities of saving, improving the systems are huge. They're just humongous because the volume of air are just huge. Nothing like you would see in a building or anywhere else. At the end of the day, you improve the ventilation so people can breathe better and have a safer and healthier working environment.